like to start today by talking a little bit about chemistry lab safety. Be sure to read and understand everything that comes with your lab chemistry book and stuff. You know, just stuff. So, and remember to wear all safety equipment, like the safety tie, safety shirt, you know. And remember, there is no more important safety rule than to wear these safety goggles. Thank you. Hello, kids. Thank you for being here today. First, I'm going to go through all the things you will need for today's lesson. First, though, before I even get to that, I want to say that for experiment 10.2, is entitled Acid/Base Titration. Okay. So, the first thing we're going to need for this is an eyedropper. You don't know yet why, because we haven't done the experiment. Next, we'll need a mass scale, which I've got right here. Then, I'll need some distilled water right here. Assortment of other household goods, bleach, ammonia. Then, of course, you need to make sure you have a graduated cylinder. He has to be through high school. Next, we have our beakers. Make sure you have your beakers. And this, actually, I have no idea what this is. It's just kind of a little glass thing. Anyway, and you're supposed to have some sort of stirring utensil. And also, a heat source will be required also for this. So, if you do not have those, then there's no point in going any further, is there? No. Okay. So, let's go on over to the sink. Hello. We're over here by the sink. And before we start handling anything dangerous liquids like our distilled water, I wanted to let you know to put on your latex gloves at this time. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to rinse everything, like the graduated cylinder, in the distilled water. We want to rinse the eyedropper. We want to rinse both of our beakers. And if you want to drink, now's the time to do it. Now, let's go back over to the counter. Okay, next on the experiment, we're going to take our cabbage leaves and stuff them into our smallest beaker. I'm guessing one will do it because I don't think I can fit much more. Next, I put in 70 milliliters quantitatively, so that means it doesn't have to be exact. Okay? So, voila. Yeah. Okay. I think I'm going to, yeah? There we go. No, wait. Hey, see that purple color? That's not really supposed to happen yet. So, I'm going to take this and pour it in there because I got too much water. I can't pour it back because it's pink. And we're right at 70. So, we'll pour it in there, and now that we have that, we're going to take it over to the stove. Next, we're going to boil the cabbage leaves right here for about 3 minutes, just until they're nice and gushy, okay? So I'll turn this on high there, and we'll see you in 3 minutes. Okay, now we let that cool for a little while until it's reasonable to touch. And then I transferred it to this other glass, taking out all the leaves. Of course, I rinsed this glass out in distilled water, not to compromise it with any of those other chemicals. So now I have this other beaker here that has 90 milliliters of distilled water and 10 milliliters of ammonia. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add about half of this glass to this beaker. Now let's see what happens. Can you see? Okay. Are you sure you can see? Okay. Wow! Did you see that? That's amazing. That is simply amazing. See, this is green, and this is purple. And when I pour this into the ammonia and water, it turned green. That is amazing. On to our next step.